So Valentine's Day is almost here, and if you're looking for that perfect gift, Printify has a fantastic selection of customizable products. Whether you're shopping for a loved one or looking to boost your print-on-demand sales, well, I got you covered. Let's dive into this review of Printify's Valentine's Day collection. Let's get into it. Printify is a leading print-on-demand platform that offers a variety of products you can customize. Their Valentine's Day collection features unique and romantic items, including apparel, home decor, and accessories. Let's take a closer look. One of the best things about Printify is the ability to personalize each item with special messages, images, or artwork. Whether you want to create a heartfelt gift or something fun and quirky, there's something for everyone. Now let's check out some of the standard products from Printify's Valentine's Day collection. Mugs are always a great gift, and with Printify, you can create custom designs featuring romantic quotes, couple illustrations, or even inside jokes. Matching outfits can be a fun way to celebrate love. Printify offers customizable t-shirts and hoodies that can design with cute couple themes, funny slogans, or stylish minimalistic artwork. A heart-shaped image on a pillow with a customized message or photo makes a thoughtful and cozy gift. It's perfect for long-distance couples or anyone who loves a sentimental keepsake. Printify also features customizable jewelry. These are stylish, trendy, and can be personalized with initials, meaningful dates, or special messages. If you are a print-on-demand seller, well, it's time to tap in to the Valentine's Day market. Limited edition holiday-themed products can drive more sales, and Printify makes it easy to create and list custom design products on platforms like Etsy, Amazon, and Shopify. And that wraps up my review for Printify's Valentine's Day collection. So whether you're looking for that perfect gift or looking to increase your sales, these customizable products are a great choice. So which product was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching. You have a blessed week and a blessed day, and we'll see you guys back on my next video next week, and peace.